Have you ever wondered why some people rise from almost nothing while others stay stuck in the same place for years? Why does someone born in poverty, raised in chaos, or constantly told they would never make it eventually become the person everyone admires? The answer is not luck. It is a mindset. A successful mindset built from hardship or a humble background is not a gift. It is a construction project, built day by day, experience by experience, using pain as the raw material. Most people assume that hardship destroys you, but the truth is that hardship exposes you. It shows who you are without comfort, without support, without easy options. Take the example of a child growing up in a crowded home where electricity cuts were normal and school fees were a luxury. That child learns resourcefulness before learning English. They learn that if they do not push themselves, nobody else will. That is the beginning of a success mindset. Hardship forces you to solve problems early, and problem solving becomes a skill that people raised in comfort often never develop. A humble background also teaches one of the strongest foundations of success: hunger. When you grow up watching others have what you cannot afford, it creates a silent fire inside you. Think about students walking long distances to school because their parents could not afford transport. Each step becomes a reminder that they must build a different life. Or consider a young person helping their family run a small shop, learning negotiation, customer service, and discipline without ever reading a business book. These skills, born from necessity, become powerful advantages later in life, but the mindset does not grow automatically. You must choose how to interpret your background. Some people see their poverty as a prison. Others see it as a blueprint. The difference is perspective. A successful mindset begins when you stop asking why life is unfair and start asking what you can learn from it. That shift alone can change your entire trajectory. A boy who grows up sharing one pair of shoes with his brother learns gratitude and discipline. A girl who studies under a streetlight because she has no electricity learns focus. These small experiences shape mental strength that money cannot buy. Another pillar of building a successful mindset from hardship is resilience. When you grow up facing problems, challenges do not shock you. Losing a job, failing an exam, being rejected by universities, or not having connections becomes frustrating but not fatal. You already learned to survive worse. Think about entrepreneurs who started with nothing but still built businesses. Many of them failed multiple times, but each failure reminded them of where they came from and why quitting was not an option. When your background gives you no safety net, your ability to endure becomes your greatest weapon. Discipline is also born in homes where comfort is not guaranteed. Waking up early because there is water only in the morning. Saving money because every coin matters. Helping parents with responsibilities long before your age mates even think about work. These experiences teach discipline in ways textbooks never could. As adults, these same people outwork competitors not because they are stronger, but because their childhood trained them for pressure. The final ingredient is belief. Many people with humble backgrounds grow up hearing that success is for others. But every success story starts when one person decides to reject that message. Belief does not come from outside. It comes from reminding yourself of everything you have already survived. If you made it through childhood challenges, financial struggles, and self-doubt, then you already have evidence that you can handle more. Belief is built through reflection, not compliments. Your background may be humble, but your mindset does not have to be. The same environment that tries to break you can become the foundation that builds you. Hardship is not the end of your story. It is the training ground. It sharpens your hunger, resilience, discipline, and perspective. If this message helped you, support the channel. Like the video, please share it with someone who needs a reminder of their potential, and subscribe for more powerful stories and lessons that push you to grow. Your future is not decided by your background. It is decided by the mindset you build today.